Alright guys, so I'm going to be teaching you to learn how to program your lights. So first thing and foremost, you need to first set your addresses, so D001 for the next picture, you just set it like a different address, and the fourth one, and then depends how many picture you have. So for me, I would set it like that, 7. Then after setting those things, we need to go to the control. Alright, so the first thing that you should do when you have this controller is you need to first tilt this. So the first thing that you're gonna do with this controller, so I'm setting them up. It's this dimmer, and then make sure the white is turned on like this. So when you increase the dimmer, so that's their light. So to increase their when you want to blink them also, this is what happens. So we want that to be like the same with the festivals, so it's not doing that activity. So what I recommend is first, okay, so before doing that, you need to first set your controller to program mode. Then so when you're in program mode, so make sure you don't have programs here. Find a place where there's no program. So 1, 2, 3 I think. Okay, there's still programs here. And so there's still program on my other bank. So find a place where there's no program. So 19, it's empty. 18, 17 has. So I think I would choose 18. 18 has no programs at all. So the next thing that you're gonna do when you have this kind of controller is you need to, so I turn on the scanner on, and then I set this, so this is the selected scanners or the fixtures that you see. So when you increase it, the first thing that you would like to do when you're filming this kind of video, so here is your controller. So I've selected all the controllers so that you could control the dimmer. So this is the white. So I would not increase to very. So the first thing that you're gonna do is gonna be turning them off. No, I mean you need to first deselect the 2 to 7 controllers. So we're controlling this one over there, as you can see the camera, that part over there. So then we're gonna be blinking it. So this is the first light to blink. Then the next would be number 2, would be blinking in a different speed, so that it would like create a momentum. So I'm controlling the speed, but it should not be the same as the second one, as you can see. So the third one would be not the same as the second one, so it should be a little bit slower. So the fourth one should be not the same with the third one. It should be like a different speed. There you go. So you can see it's like creating that effect, like that. This is what you see in the rave parties. Then the next one would be a different speed too. So let's do a different speed. See, there's a lot of different. And there you go. You see, it's like creating a very good. And then we control this. Not be the same as the not be the same. Should be like this. Then the 8th one should be the slowest. There, as you can see, they have different speeds. It was like in the rave parties. That's how you create that effect. So if we want a different speed here, we could like put a different speed here on the light here. As you could see, it was like creating the effect like in the rave parties. And so you could see that kind of programming like this. You could see that that's kind of the what you commonly see in rave parties. So we'll just increase their overall brightness. There we go. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be pressing this add button over here. If you could see this, add, then put it to 1, and that's number 1. So that's how you emulate the one in the rave party. So what you want to go out is press your program. Now it's in blackout mode, press blackout. So deselect this. Then let's go to our burst program, and it's 18. So let's burst auto. There you go. That's how you create your program. See, it's like the same in the rave parties. So when we put fog with that, I'll show you how it looks like when there is fog. So as you can see, that's how it looks like when there is fog. It looks like a really good rave party. You could see that. It's a really good rave party, right? It's like it's moving the whole thing. I'm just waiting for my fog machine to put up some more smoke. As you can see, it's really good with smoke, right? So I can smell the... So let's just wait for the fog machine to be more ready. It smells like water, so you can see that. So when we press other scene, so that's how it look like. Then we're gonna move in here. So it's like a really good rave party. Instead of doing like this, and then let's do like that. Then are you ready for some party? Woo! So just wait for that. This is when you do a different strobe strobe speed. See, you have different strobes. It's just like having a party, right? So I think I'm gonna be differentiating the speed of 5. So that's, I'm gonna be fixing that. I'm gonna be doing that. See, it's like a very see those rave party doing like that. What I'm gonna be doing, so I'm gonna be going to program mode. So I'm gonna be, so when I see those things, I'd like to go here. I'm gonna be showing you, just kidding. So I'm just waiting. See this, so I'm gonna be using fog machine again. And then when you go to 18, this is what you see. See that? It's a really good we're doing like a build up for the drop. You see this very cool smoke. This is how it looks like. So when you like the color to be like in Tomorrowland, this is what you only need to do. You just need to with the color, see, in a yellow light. That's how you do a like in it's an orange light. So that's how you do it, like in Tomorrowland, right? So that's the easy steps on how you could create a blinker with a different kind of speed. It's really a good thing in EDM.